quality control. And the next one is the ninth one, self inspection, and the ninth one is the personals. So yeah, personal means it is a group of organization. Simple word is a group of organization. So a group of organization means the manufacturer should have an adequate number of personnel with the necessary qualification and practical experience. In a group of organization, it is the in group of organization, one herbal drug is prepared by a number of batches. A number of batches. Each batch is consisting the a number of persons. Each batch is consisting the a number of persons, minimum 10 to 20 members. Minimum 10 to 20 members. The 10 to 20 members, the 10 to 20 members, it necessary, it maintain the qualifications, and as well as the experience, work experience also. All personnel should aware the about GMP, awareness of the about the all personnel should be aware the principle of the GMP, and that affect them had receive initial and counting training, and then a GMP, and what is the initial of the GMP, and study about the training about GMP and instruction, hygiene, and etc. and etc. So in this batch, total members prepare the one drug of the prepare the one drug of one herbal drug. That herbal drug is prepared by a number of batches. Each batch is consisting the number of members. Each and every member, it compulsory, it maintain the qualification and experience. And the next one, each batch compulsory study about the GMP rules. What is the initial rules? What is the training route? What is the inspection? Then is what is the hygiene, and different all rules are compulsory. Know the GMP preparation methods and candidates. The next one is the 10th one. So what is the 10th one? For the 7th one is the contract production and analysis, self inspection, and the next one personal, and 10th one is the training. So training. In this, personnel should have adequate training in the appropriate fields. The training is a different fields. Different fields in training, such as the one is the pharmaceutical technology, microbiology, pharmacognosy, and the next one, pharmaceutical chemistry, and hygiene and etc subjects. So the next one, in the training, each and every person, it compulsory study about the pharmaceutical technology, microbiology, pharmacognosy, then some pharmaceutical chemistry, hygiene. So each personal should have adequate training in the appropriate fields, in a particular fields, in a particular different fields. So compulsory training about study about these subjects compulsory. So this is about training. The next one is personal hygiene. 11th one is the personal hygiene. Personal hygiene. And the next 11th one is the personal hygiene. In your personal hygiene must be protected from the contact with the toxic irritants and potentially allergic plants or material may be protect materials by means of the adequate protective clothing. In here, personal must be protected from the, in your personal hygiene, it protected from the protect from the protect from the toxic materials or irritant materials. Toxic materials and irritant materials. So the toxic and irritant material from the plant source or any other materials, so they should wear the suitable, how to avoid the particular toxic and irritants, should wear the com, should wear the hand gloves, caps, masks, and work shoots, depends upon the work shoots, and shoes also. So these are all are the protected from the toxic material and as well as the irritant material, So the compulsory the manufacturing where the this where the gloves, caps, mask, work shoot, and as well as the shoes also. So these are the personal hygiene character. These are the personal hygiene maintain the each and individually maintain the manufacturer. And the next one is 12th one. 12th one is premises. Premises. So what is the premises? Premises means simple storage area. Storage area. So storage area should be well organized. It is a compulsory maintain the well organized and herbal materials including raw materials in a storage in storeroom. It maintain the herbal herbal materials, and the next one it compulsory kept in a dry area, protected from the and as well as the protect from the moisture and microorganisms moisture and microorganism. So this is about storage area. And the next one in production area in premises, one is the storage area and second one is the production area. In production area, the facility cleaning and to avoid the cross contamination, it compulsory maintain the a clean area and as well as the avoid a cross contamination. Cross contamination. So compulsory this maintain. And the next one cross contamination and check the weight of the sample weight of the sample and each and not only sample each and every chemical compulsory weight, then maintain the weight and maintain the cleaning area and across the contamination, avoid the cross the contamination. So this is the premises. The next one is 13th one is equipment. So equipment. So in this equipment, but these are up to 12th one. The materials is maintained in a particular area, and the next one manufacturer maintain the sub rules and regulations, and the next one each and every character is maintain the a particular rules and regulation depends upon the 1940 Drug and Cosmetic Act. But the equipment is a play a key role in the production of a production of herbal drugs. Production of herbal drugs. Though in here the processing of the herbal material may generated dust or material. The dust or material is production. The herbal material it is the production of a dust compare than the other materials. So this one is the dust is showing the infection pest infection and avoid the pest infection in the suitable container and as well as equipment and avoid the cross contamination cross contamination. So how to maintain the product, how to maintain this particular avoid the cross contamination and avoid the pest infection. So in here vacuum or wet cleaning methods are preferred. Vacuum or wet cleaning method are used in the particular equipment. And the next one non wooden in here non-wooden equipments are it is a prefer for the preparation of a herbal drugs. So the next one is the 14th one. The 14th one is the materials. Fourth one is the materials. So in the material, all incoming herbal materials should be quarantined and stored under appropriate condition. So the material are collected from the after collecting of the material, and the material should be allowed to the quarantine and as well as stored under appropriate condition, stored under appropriate and suitable condition, suitable suitable condition. So only permitted substances should be used for the should be used, only permitted substances are used for the make a preparation of a herbal drugs. And the next one, documentation. 15th one is the documentation. So after making of a herbal drug, it maintain the documentation. So documentation, in this documentation, and in this documentation is about study about the herbal materials, study about the herbal materials. The herbal materials are collected from the plant, collect from the plant. In the write the details about the plant in the documentation, like the family and botanical name of plant. Write the family and botanical name of the plant. And the next one, and what is the therapeutic use, what is the therapeutic use, and which country it collected from the which country, what is the nature, and write the each and everything about the, write about the plant from a herbal drug from a plant. That is the documentation. And the next one is write about the different tests about different tests about plant, different tests about plant. And as well as like a carbohydrate test and a protein test, amino acid test, and different tests compulsory, write about that particular test for the in the documentation. And the next one, 16th one is then 16th one is the GPP, good practice in production. GPP, good practice in production. So the GPP in here, collection and cultivation, collection or cultivation, or harvesting, collection and cultivation of harvesting medicinal plants, medicinal plants harvesting of medicinal plants should follow the compulsory follow the WHO guidelines, on the WHO guidelines, uh, WHO guidelines on a good agriculture and collection practice, good agriculture, collection practice. So in this GPP, collection or cultivation or harvesting of a medicinal plants, it follow the guidelines on the good agriculture and collection practice for the medicinal plants, for the only medicinal plants, medicinal plants. So we are collect the one drug, we are collect a one drug from the medicinal plant, depends upon the WHO guidelines and a GACP also, on a GACP. So based upon these guidelines, collect the particular drug from the medicinal plant only. So the next one is the last one is the 17th one. It is a good practice in quality control, GPQC, good practice in quality control. So in here it maintain the quality and quantity of a substance, in a quality and quantity of a substance. The quality should have the necessary expertise in herbal medicine, and carry out the identification test and write down the identification test. And the next one, how much of amount of drug is presented in the herbal drug, and how much of the drug is present, how much of the active substances is presented in the drug, compulsory mention in a label, mention in a label. As per the label, maintain the herbal drug quantity and quality also. So this is about our topic. So in here, after finishing of these 17 rules, and take a sampling, take a sample, and the next one going to test it and suitable different methods. So depends upon the sample, depends upon the test, it gives a good result. It gives a good result, and a good result after good results, and then going to marketing it with a suitable labeling, with a suitable labeling. In the labeling, what is the product here, what is the product here, and write the manufacturing date, what is the expiry date, which type of batch, and what is the use, and what is the name of the company, what is the address. So write the each and every chemical, which type of chemicals are used in this particular drug. Write the each and everything. After completion of the 17 rules, make a one label and market it. So this is about our good GMP, good manufacturing practice. So any doubts, ma? All of you please unmute your audios and videos.